Hi, David again at Surrey Steels today, making another video for Omega floor cleaning. Now we're doing their office today, and I want to show you that they've got two different types of surface here. There's a rubber type of surface which I'll show you in a second, and there's carpet tiles. So I'll just give you a quick guided tour of what we want to do. There's a lot of grime and dirt within both flooring types of surface, so I've got my work cut out here for me today, but let me just show you the carpet and then and the rubber floor tiles, and then you can see how I do this. So here's the rubber surface. As you can see, this is the entrance to the office, and you can see they've really worn that down. Lots of builders type boots. They're a steel manufacturer, so steel fabricators, so obviously they've got hard boots which will really cause some damage to the floor and bring in dirt from all the metal filings and that sort of thing. And then we've got carpet tiles. Now, the hierarchy of the office, where you've got the manager, is the cleanest, and that's not that clean, and then it gets dirtier as you go around. So as you can see, the walkways are all the rubber surface, and actually under the desk is the carpet tiles. And it goes right the way around into two offices here. And that's the end of the rubber, but we've got more carpet. Machinery I'll use today is my carpet extraction machine. There's the hoses that go with it, and my floor polisher and carpet buffer. Now that has two attachments. The first one, this is the one that actually scrubs the floor surface and cleans it after applying the product that actually cleans this type of rubber surface. The second one actually polishes, so it's a softer brush, and then after you've done the actual scrubbing with that one, you then attach this one, and you end up polishing the surface to give it a nice buff shine. The chemicals I'll use today is this stuff. Now this one actually is for rubber surfaces. Then I've got a deodorizer, just to give the place a fresh smell at the end. And we've got fabric and fibre rinse made by ProChem. Now that's another cleaning product for the carpet. So there we go. I'll make a start now. I have someone with me today that's going to film me, so you can actually see this work in progress as well, and we'll show you the results at the very end as always. See you in a minute. So that's all fully sprayed, it's all soaked, every area is covered off this rubber surface, which we're doing first. So we'll start on my buffing machine. So like I said, at first we'll use this more aggressive type of brush, which actually does clean the surface and scrub it, and then we'll go with the soft brush afterwards. Just give it a nice finish. it does, will show you exactly how it looks. At the moment, the early signs are it looks pretty impressive. So, on with the next part of the job, which is the extraction with the blue extraction machine. Rubber shoes, like I said before, it's a steel fabricator, so there'll be metal filings all within this carpet, so we really need to work hard and get this buffed up. So, I'll make a start now. Water here should really be pretty green. And that was almost black, as you can see that. Looked like Guinness, if I'm honest. There you have it. All that dirt was in that carpet there. Make sure it's completely empty. Still see stripes in the carpet back and forth, bits that are dry, bits that are still wet. But if you remember, it was dark brown in areas. We were starting to get the grey come back, and that is out there when I emptied it. Half of that stuff. Also, the rubber matting is looking pretty decent now. There's no skid marks or scuff marks on it. All the brown residue is off the top, and yeah, I think we've got a pretty decent result here today. I'm sure I'll be speaking to the boss of Surrey Steels tomorrow, and I'm sure that we'll find out how happy he is, but I think he will be. So just wanted to say thanks, another good result, and subscribe, click below, share, and share to all your friends, and my number you'll see on the final screen after this. Thanks again. See you on the next one.